mini keyboard review. Alright, this is the view of the front, and when you see at the back, I just removed the cover, but you see it has battery and it has the USB port, and this one you will put it on your TV or on your TV box. So I just put the USB port, so now it's working as you see. So let's see. I'll just control it here, then we'll see on the TV. As you see, the arrow is moving. Yes. It's because I'm controlling it here. Yes. It's really working. It's so nice. So love it. I really enjoy using this wireless keyboard. So it works with your computer and also with your TV as mine. So if I were you, bye now.